Happy Easter Monday, April the 13th of 2020. Jonathan Kovac and Timmins starting out with the 7 o'clock start, being recorded just before 11 a.m. of our Colorado Low Spring Storm. Hence the Spring Storm groups on Facebook, shared with Timmins and Area Web Weather, also on Facebook. Thanks for being part of my show. 2 minutes to show you what's going on. 7 o'clock this morning, Colorado Low. This is the culprit right here, sitting between Elliott Lake and Sault Ste. Marie. There's one isobar showing a counterclockwise spin of this low pressure system. Luckily enough, we have a nice, impressive warm front, which is borderline Timmins, Cochrane, Matheson, Iroquois Falls with above zero temperatures. But on the flip side of that, along Highway 11 west, our neighbors towards Kapuskasing Hearst, it's colder than that. We're talking about below zero. We're also looking at the big, impressive criteria for the storm system. Midnight last night, 2970 or 100.5 kilopascals. 8 o'clock this morning, we dropped the ball to 2930 or 99 kilopascals, and it was holding steady for just a little bit. By 10 o'clock this morning, the Timmins Flight Service does say that down to 2913, which is criteria for a weather bomb, which means a fast-moving system with erratic barometric pressure, which means significantly rapidly changing conditions at a moment's notice. Last night, this morning, a band of freezing rain ice pellets stretching between Cochrane, Smooth Rock Falls, back towards Timmins. An area of rain now saturates the Timmins area since 8:30 this morning. Moderate rain from Matheson. Mixed precip for Smooth Rock Falls, but now they're changed over to snow, moderate to heavy snow. And in fact, the blue band of snow along Highway 11 west between Cap and Hearst is indicating heavy snow and borderline whiteout conditions. You're talking about visibilities down to a half a mile, 1/4 of a mile, 5/8 of a mile, and obscured visibility of 500 feet, which is equivalent to one street block. Last but not least, the real-time winds, counterclockwise rotation around that low-pressure system. We can see the winds out of the north-northeast across northeast Ontario. And kid you not, I will keep an eye on the winds to see if they will be picking up in intensity to maybe 60 by later on this afternoon or this evening. Stay tuned now for a timeline of the Timmins-Kapuskasing airport observations along with the regional conditions as well.